Tonight's dinner is this one. Is actually vegetable rice. Yeah, it's a special dish from my hometown, from Surabaya. They know it as Nasi Sayur Pak Djo. Yeah, so the recipe is from somebody called Joe. So Mr. Joe. So basically this one is just veggie, very humble, but it's nice and simple dishes. Yeah. So okay, let me just try this one. And we eat with rice. Oh, it's gonna be awesome. Oh, good. The best. With achar. So this one tastes. How do I describe? The bitterness of the veggie blends well with the sweetness, with the salt, and a little bit of sour. Okay. Very nice. Very good to eat. And the smells of the trasi, the belacan. Wow, it's very good. You should try. You should try how to make this. You should try to make this. And of course we have the special things is the fried egg. Everything in Indonesia when we ask for special, and then they top with this one. So it's gonna be top quality. Very good. I don't need to come fly to Surabaya to eat this. My wife cooked it for me. Okay, our dinner time first. See you next time.